Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make our original recipe for the Pineapple Jalapeño Margarita. First, add jalapeno slices and pineapple chunks to your cocktail shaker and muddle. And if you like it a little spicier, you can always add more or take away if you like it less spicy. Now add ice to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Next, add a ½ ounce of Cointreau orange liqueur. Next, add 1 ounce of pineapple juice and 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now shake until well chilled. Now rim the margarita glass with tahini. Now add ice and pour. Finally, garnish with a jalapeno slice and pineapple wedge. And that's how you make the Pineapple Jalapeño Margarita. Cheers.